Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to add a column chart based on your spreadsheet directly into your grid document. After you added your existing data or entered your data directly into your grid sheet, it is time to add the chart. Simply click the plus button to open the insert menu and select the column chart option there. Or you can type directly into your grid document /call and there select the column chart option and insert the element. Now let's select the data and watch your chart appear. In the editor panel to the right, you can either type in or select the x-axis labels, like so, and the chart title, and the legends. And depending on your preference, you can display your chart as stacked or not, and under the Axis tab, there you can type in or select your x-axis title, like so, and the y-axis, like so. And under the Essentials tab again, you can set your color palette, your visibility, and various other formatting options, either by choosing them or using the FX button to write a formula to manipulate their options. Thank you for watching and have a great day.